Good morning, chat. Welcome back. Monday, new week, new opportunities, and we're gonna get rich this week, yeah? So, with this being said, guys, welcome back to the Daily Show. It is Monday. We are halfway. We're the 17th of August, guys. We're almost heading towards the end of the month. I hope you guys so far have had a really good trading month. I have personally, since I've been back home, we have been finding the routine, finding the rhythm. We've been taking such good trades. This morning, I took 2 beautiful buys on NQ with my team, and let's hope we can continue that momentum and catch one good trade together here on stream, guys. Who do we have in the chat? Sorbet, good morning, bro. Here every day. I love you so much. Good morning, Jacob. Dan, good morning again. Red Fox, good morning again. Long time no see. Yeah, I felt like I saw you about 5 minutes ago, dude. Alpha Gary. Yeah, dude, I've moved houses. This is my new little space right now. I'm not done. I've still got some things I need to do behind me on the walls. Here is my beautiful view of the garden area, but I'm not opening that now because it's too much light coming inside. Just keep it a bit dark. But with that being said, guys, how's everybody? How's your trading been? If you coming onto stream, guys, just tap that like button quickly. Yeah, you know the drill. If you show me love, I give you good trades. So hit that like button right now. I'll give you good trades, guys. I promise you. I'll do my best. So show the support, show the love, guys, as you're making your way into the stream. We have 1.5 hours of streaming ahead of us. So we have a nice long little session together. Let's make the most of it. And yeah, I'll start breaking down the chart. Come on, come say good morning, guys. I have someone wanting to say good morning to everyone. Say good morning, please. No, wrong way. Say good morning. Say good morning. Yes. Just to show you guys how of a real sausage dog this is. Check that. It's like a real sausage. What was I saying? Yeah, we're gonna break down the chart shortly. See if we can take any trades. This is the funded Funder Pro Futures account, guys. It is funded. It's the 200k I've been trading for the last 3 months. We've been keeping it alive. So let's keep doing that. Guys, so quickly before jumping into it, risk management. Guys, it is Monday. Like I always say, guys, it's Monday. Market's still kind of, deciding the move it's going to make the week, I always say. So let's just, focus on some really good risk management today. If it's an A+ setup, we're going to put some size on it, right? So let's see. Also, guys, I've got some really exciting news to tell you guys. You need to stay tuned. So if you want to know the news I'm going to be sharing with you guys right now, you need to stay tuned, because this is going to be something never been done before on the Funder Pro YouTube channel, and it's going to be something really cool for you guys to be watching, and you can get something out of it. So with that being said, just stay tuned, guys. I'm going to be telling you the big news in the next 10-20 minutes, so stay on the stream if you don't want to miss it. Adam, good morning, bro. Dinesh, good morning. Waiting for the explanation of it. Oh, that's actually true. I did say last week Friday I'll give a quick little explanation of the inside bar. So with that, I will stick to my promise. I will be doing that. Good morning, Cam. My NQ chart looks nothing like yours. Why is that? I don't know how yours looks, Sean. I don't know how yours looks. Maybe explain to me how yours looks, and then we can figure that one out. I don't know. You trading? I don't know. I'm on the daily chart as well right now. Maybe that's why. Okay. Cool. So guys, little breakdown. Okay, I'm not starting the stream until you guys will hit that like button. This is ridiculous. Seriously, 8 likes and there's 40 of you people on the stream. Seriously? Come on. I'm not gonna start the stream, guys, until you show the love on the like button. This is the rule, right? This is the rule. well, you know what? Who cares? Let's just make some money. Okay, let's go. All right, so guys, to all my lovely people, Dan, Grant, Gary, Erwit, Jane Bond, Dinesh, Adam, Keith, Dinesh. Okay, cool guys. So let's start this breakdown. I'm gonna go over very quick and just have a quick little scan over, right? Okay. So number one, we're on the daily chart, guys. I am very bullish on NQ right now. Bailey, come. I'm very, very, very bullish on NQ right now. This is the daily. Price is still rallying after the closure back above the EMA. We closed above. We've been using the EMA and making higher lows and higher highs. Price is having a beautiful little trend right now. Maybe, potentially in the next couple weeks, I don't know, a week, maybe the next week, we come up into the all-time high, guys, which is sitting at the 31,000. That's a very good target to, you know, for NQ to come trade up into. But we have a lot of time for that. So if we can continue this bullish momentum, we can maybe keep scalping buyers. Remember what I did say, guys, NQ is a buyer's market. The Nasdaq was built to go up, right? It was built to go up. So that's why when there's buying opportunities, I take full, what's the word? Full advantage. I take full advantage of it, okay? So, yeah. All right, so yeah, anyways, let's get back to it. Daily is trending really nicely above EMA. Today's candle has opened up with barely, like, basically no bottom wick, and we've rallied. We took out Friday's highs. So something I'm gonna do quickly, guys, just so I have it as a little bit of a reference. Excuse me. Just so I have it as a bit of a reference, I'm gonna mark out the high of Friday, okay? Because for me, if we get back below that Friday's high, I will probably look for maybe taking a little short. But if we stay above it, I'll keep looking for longs. That's why I'm marking it off, guys. This is Friday's high. Friday high. Let's mark it off, just so we have it marked off, guys. You know, I like to keep things. You know, clean, simple. There we go. Friday high. You can see it on my chart. There we go. It's marked off. So as long as we're above Friday's high, I'm going to keep looking for buys. If I look to the left, the extreme left, we also got some highs up there we can trade into. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to mark off just that high there to the left. Okay, cool, whatever. Simple. Let's get off this big time frame. Let's go to 4 hourly. 4 hourly, guys. Beautifully trading above EMA again. Okay, there is a bit of a gap, so we can see we dipped into EMA. We had the closure back above, inside bar, price broke, gapped up, and then we've just been trending into the Friday's high. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Just keep screaming my name right now. I will not look for shorts anytime soon. Okay. The hourly. This is where things get a bit more juicier. Key levels. Okay, so something that I am aware of, and this is the trade we took this morning with my private live streaming community. I actually, there we go. So there was this key level over here to the left, as we can see I've marked off. Let me make it a different color. Let's make it green. Actually, no, fuck. Let's make it, there we go. There we go. I'm gonna quickly label H1 level. So yeah, as you can see, we had this H1 level. We actually this morning we took buyers into off the EMA. All right, we had the beautiful retest of the EMA, and I'll drop to the lower time frame of actually I think it was like a 3 minute, and we scalped into that H1 level into the Friday's high. It was a very beautiful buy. And now what's happened was we broke above, we closed, we came back, wicked that hourly level, wicked that Friday high, and then we took another entry. I'll get into that now, off that EMA. So let me quickly go to that 5 minute. there was it. Price pulled back into that H1 level. We had a failed inside bar, as I love. That inside bar failed. I took the break of that inside bar high, and I made $1,000 with my special, beautiful team. Right? This was the trade I took. Okay, beautiful little trade, guys, in that pre-London. Or no, it wasn't pre-London. It was London Open when that happened. So yeah. Prices now, we can see it came back up. We range consolidated. We've broken out. We're back at that Friday's high. We're retesting it. So something I would like to see. Let me go back to the hourly. Something I would like to see, guys. This is my plan for this session, right? My plan for this session will be, get ready, because I'm going to help a lot of you if you don't understand the bias right now. So get fucking ready, yeah? My plan is going to be, if we can hold above the H1 level and hold above Friday's high, I will keep looking to scalp buys. Target 1, the new level we just put in, right? Let's go and label that shit. The new level we just put in, right? So between this Friday's high and this H1 level, that could be a scalp. If we break above, guys, if we break above the new H1 level we just put in, I will continue buying the shit out of Nasdaq. So I'm keeping it simple, guys. I'm bullish. We trending, making higher highs and higher lows. Simple. Now I've got my targets and that's it. I've just got my targets now. So above Friday's high, bullish, below, bearish. I will only look for shorts, guys, if we break below this H1 level, okay? I'll only look for shorts then. I will not do anything until... We also have a little gap below. So if we are too short, guys, if we are too short, we need to break this H1 level at 30,270 area, break EMA, and then maybe short it lower. But if we hold above, I'm only looking for the buys. And that's how simple trading can actually be. I've got my plan now. It's simple. Now I just wait and I be patient and I look for a 5-minute entry off that EMA. Okay. Let me just guys, I'll look at the chat now. Okay, I'm very sorry. I'm just trying to get this all ready so I can relax, because you know the busiest part of my stream is the beginning, having to do the whole breakdown for you guys. So since that's done now we can have fun and look for and wait to take a trade and make money, right? H1 level. Okay, sweet. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Okay, cool. Let's quickly go that 5 minutes. Now we'll just wait for entries, guys. Yeah, I forgot to show the 15, but the 15 isn't anything special. The 15 did close below EMA. Okay, you know what? Let's wait the 15 minute for a bit. Let's watch, because we're not rushing right now, guys. We're not rushing, right? Let's wait for that 15 minute. Because if the 15 minutes giving me a buy signal, we enter off the 5. You know the drill, right? Anyways. Oh shit, sorry guys. Okay, so I'm checking the chat now. Beginner challenge has a one-time fee or monthly. So basically, Joe, good morning to you, and I'm very good. I hope you're well. For the beginner challenge, like the zero challenge for Thunderpro Futures, it's a monthly subscription fee. If you pass, it automatically cancels, but it's a one-time fee. You don't need to pay any activation fee, okay? Which is really cool. If you use code CAM, you get 20% off. It saves you a lot of money. So the people who are watching on the mobile phone have to close the chat quick. That then they can yeah, guys, listen to Daniel, please. All right. If you're watching on a mobile phone, close the chat and then go hit that like button. Keith Lovell, I do. Yes, I do. That's what I do. Hi, it's okay. It's okay. Hi. Hi. Oh my God. Sorry guys, 1 second. Keith Lovell, you can just send me a DM on Instagram, bro. I'm not talking about that on the stream. This is just my Thunderbird stream. We're not talking about. Just DM me on Instagram, right? Chat. Dan, can you just put my name in the chat or something? I can't do it on here. Ask Dan the man. Dan the man is the #1 guy that I'm the fuck. I can't keep kissing Daniel because he's my #1 student, guys. Daniel currently. He's taking #1. Fucking amazing guy. We also got the same dog. So guys, it's 15 minutes. As we can see, it has closed below EMA. The new 50 minutes wicked up, and now it looks like it's gonna flip. This does get tempting to take a short. This is where psychology comes in, right? This does get tempting to take a short now based off this EMA like kind of play. But I always need to remember something. My bias is bullish. Okay? There's more chances of me winning my trade if I'm taking a buy entry over a short right now, okay? Just because my bias is bullish. So you know what? My bias is bullish. If NQ wants to drop, it's okay. NQ can drop. I don't care. I don't care. It must do that. But my bias is bullish. This morning I stuck to my bias on 2 trades and I won them both. So I know that sticking to your bias is so important. Dan, appreciate it. Yo, Dan just put my Instagram in the chat, so you can just pop me a message on there and I will send you the information. Right. Guys, okay, cool. So the big news. Everybody, if you're ready to listen to the news, put a thumbs up in the chat, okay, right now. If you are ready to hear the news, the exciting news, I need to get everyone to put a thumbs up in the chat. I need at least 10 thumbs up in the chat right now, guys. Tell me that you're ready. I'll be dropping the news right now for you guys. But I need to know that you're ready. And I'm very excited to tell you guys this because it's going to be very cool. Alright? So everyone, thumbs up in the chat right now. I will be telling you guys the exciting news. There's something happening soon. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, guys. Come on. Hello. Here's a puppy. You guys can see the puppy in my arm. Look, she's here. Hello. Okay, guys, so the big news. Listen carefully, right? Okay, and let me get my mic nice and close. Okay, so listen. Are you guys ready? So, guys, on Wednesday, right? On Wednesday, the 19th of August, at New York Market Open, Right? Are you ready? I am going to be trading live with Michel Rossi. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen him trading Thunder Pro. We are doing a trade battle. Yes, okay, so we are going to be doing a trade-off, a 1v1, right? CAMSORBET versus Michel Rossi, right? At the New York Market Open, right? We're doing a trade-off. We have, I think it's, I don't know I can't remember the exact details, but you'll find out on that stream. There's going to be a time. Whoever makes the most money in that time, right? They are going to be on challenge accounts. So if you lose the account, you fail, right? It's a 1v1, minimum 5. I think there's like 4 or 5 trades we need to take in that 30 minutes. So whoever wins will get to give their community free accounts. So all of you beautiful people need to come on that live stream. I need you guys there to support me. I need you guys there to shout Team Cam in the chat, right? Because if I win, which you guys know I'm gonna win, right? Let's just be honest. My strategy is goated. I'm going to be scalping my EMA strategy off a 1-minute time frame. It's the only way I can win it. It's going to be very interesting. It's going to be very exciting. So the only way I can win this is if I scalp the EMA strategy. But I need all of you guys there to support me in that chat. And if I win, I'll be giving free accounts away to a lot of you guys, okay? There's not just going to be 1. There's not going to be 2. There's going to be a few accounts I'm going to be giving away to you guys, okay? So whoever screams my name loudest in that live chat, and if I win, I'm going to give you an account. I promise you. All of you Team Cam, I love you all so much, really. Okay, guys, quick chat. Sorry, change the subject. Friday's high. Look how we came into Friday's high, the 15 minutes. This is why I waited patiently. Look how we're pulling back above EMA now. This 15-minute, guys, closes in 3 minutes. The new hourly opens as well. And we're going to have an hourly inside bar, chat. We're also going to have an hourly inside bar, right? Look here. Hourly inside bar. The 5-minute. This is where things are going to get a bit juicy for entry. Fuck, that actually... This was an entry over here. Fuck, I just missed it when I was talking. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to maybe enter this next 5-minute candle long. Let's see if we can close nicely above. I'll enter a long. Oh shit, sorry guys, one sec. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to... There we go. Sweet, okay. Dinesh, at 3:15 there's 115 big orders. Okay, Adam, big guy. Salo, bye. Oof. Good question, man. You're gonna need to stay tuned to find out. I entered long at 300. Nice, bro. Dinesh. I hope that trade works out for you. No entry for me just yet. Price is still under this 5-minute EMA. Keith, I just saw your message now, bro. I'll get back to you very soon, yeah? Okay. Guys, I need some jokes. We need a joke of the day. Okay. Guys, when your hourly opened up. Let's see. Thanks, Cam, my message. Yeah, Dinesh, always manage your risk, bro. Always manage that risk, dude. Okay? Always manage your risk. Hi, boys. Yes. Hello. Hi, you good? You good? Come here, babe. Come. You good, yeah. Always manage your risk, guys. I always say this every time. Manage that risk. Alright guys, I'm on a 2-minute time frame. I might enter along, okay? I might enter along. Now why? Because we have an inside bar here, right? Above the EMA. We've broken that inside bar low, right? Which has triggered a short. But I recently failed inside bars have been playing so well. So if we break this inside bars high, that means this inside bars failed above EMA coming off that Friday high. I'll take a long. Watch me, guys. I'm the fucking goat of NQ. Watch. Get ready, guys. Get ready to rumble. Get your seatbelts on. Get your popcorn ready. But only if it triggers it. Now listen. If you are going to take the same trade as me, if you're going to be a bit of a copycat and copy my trades, that's okay, you can, but, please just manage your risk, okay? And take the trade at your own risk as well. I can be wrong. I've already won 2 trades today, yes, but can I get the hat trick or am I going to lose it? I don't know. So just always manage your trades, manage your risk. And just don't think because you copy me, you're gonna win, okay? I can lose also. I'm just a trader like you. I told my wife I bought a new belt for $800. She told me, what a big waste. I won't lie. That's a good one, but it's not good enough, all right? It's a good one, but it's not good enough. Bro, there's 40% consistent funded. I don't know why you guys are so afraid of consistency rules in funded. Like, it makes no difference. Like, if you think about it, like, it really doesn't. It doesn't affect me whatsoever. I just trade and I just make sure my winning days aren't as big as my biggest winning day, and then you'll eventually hit the payout after a couple days. It's so easy. Like, with the 40% consistency rule, you can take a payout in 3 days. Yo, what's up? What's good? To all the new people coming in, hit that like button right now, guys. Hit that NQ bullish area above 32.75. Okay. All right. I've got my analysis, bro. I know what NQ is going to do soon. I know. And you guys know I know. Okay. How old is the little puppy? She's 8 months. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. That's a good one. That's a dad joke for sure. That's a dad joke for sure. I'm difficult when it comes to jokes, guys. I'm not easy. Alright, guys, we're coming back down to the Friday high. That means that inside bar failure wasn't a failure. That inside bar is actually playing out. But also, look here. Interesting. Something else that is very interesting. Something else that's very interesting is we came into EMA, we had the bearish closure back below. Right now, the chart is kind of like screaming, okay, the scalp is short. From if we get below the Friday high, we could short down into this H1 level. But the only problem about this is that my bias is bullish. Can you handle dark jokes? Yeah, I can handle the darkest of the... I like dark jokes. Actually, it's just like there might be people in this chat, so guys, don't put any dark jokes in the chat, okay? If it's too much, I'm going to have to ban you from the chat, right? Okay, Jane Bond, that was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. I really want to take a buy, guys. I just need to wait for the right moment to do it, you know. No, I didn't say I would give an account out to you guys. Like, no. When did I say that? I just said, guys, I need a joke of the day. I didn't say I'm giving you an account, bro. What? I'm gonna give you a trade instead. Just guys, it's crazy. So this morning, so every Sunday I kind of, you know, come behind my setup, my screens, and I just look at the charts a bit coming into Monday. So I'm aware of what's going on, right? And what I did was I sat down and I must find the paper. I don't know where I put it, but I sat down and I was writing and I went over all the trades that I took the last 14 days, the last 2 weeks. In the last 2 weeks, I took 15 trades, right? Or 16 trades in 2 weeks. Out of that, I won 13 of them. Which means, out of those 15 trades, I only lost 3. I feel so good recently with the environment I'm in since I've come back home. My strategy's just been playing out so well. My psychology's coming into play so well again. Everything's just coming together. And fuck, I'm so happy to be back, guys. I'm so happy to be back and I'm doing what I love, you know. So that win rate has gone up crazy amounts again. Okay, Keith. Okay, I'm gonna check the DM now. No, that's fucked, bro. Keith, that's fucked, dude. What the hell? That is crazy, dude. Okay, that's like dark shit, dude. Like that's crazy joke. Yo, that's crazy. I've never heard that. Yo, you can't say that on stream, bro. I'll be honest. That's like fire. Okay, guys. Yo, I'm tempted to buy this, man. I'm tempted to buy this, guys. I just need to wait a little bit more. Bro, tell me for the strategy, is there any fixed time to trade or any session? My strategy works whenever the market's trending. Doesn't matter what session. That's what I love about it. I can wake up and trade any session I want. It's a 5-minute walk from my house to the bar and a 45-minute walk from the bar to my house. The difference is good one. Good one. Alright guys, get ready to rumble. I can see a trade coming. I can see a trade about to hit. Alright, I'm long, guys. I'm long. Stop. I'm putting just beneath. Okay, this is a very good risk management right now as well. Now listen, guys. If you are going to take this trade, take this at your own risk, okay? Please do that. I can be wrong. But I'm looking to see if we can trade this up into that H1 level. I'm a bit, you know, it's not, this is based off a 2-minute trigger. This is based off, so the reason I'm taking this trade, guys, because obviously market structure, as I always preach, let's keep it simple. This is a low, right, where this orange box is. This over here, I'm taking a buy because I'm looking at this as a potential higher low because it triggered me above that EMA. Which makes me think that if this has been a triggered potential higher low, we can put in a higher high, right? Let's see. I'm giving myself like 2 shots this stream, 2 bullets. My risk is very small, guys. I'm risking only $300, but let's see what we get. Let's see if this trade plays out. Let's just see, guys, yeah. Let's just see. It is a bit of an aggressive entry, but hey, the strategy is telling me what to do, and I've been looking for this buy. We're coming off that Friday high retest. We have, oh. Let's rock and roll now, right? Come on, Funder Pro Futures, pay me my money. For the people wondering, guys, about Funder Pro Futures, yes, they do pay, okay? They've paid me this year alone almost 30, okay, just this year alone, and this is just my Funder Pro Future account. They've paid me about $30,000. They do pay, guys. I wouldn't be here promoting a company that wouldn't pay, so they do pay. and they're a great. They've got great accounts as well. So you can even you can use my code CAM, right? 20% off. Let me just wait for this trade to hit a stop loss quick, and then and then yeah, code CAM get you 20% off, guys, any account size, and some of them have no activation fee, so go check that out. Guys, this looked like it might hit my stop, but I don't care. Which account Funder Pro would you suggest? It depends. The beginner accounts are very good. The beginner accounts are very nice. Like, I've got multiple payouts out of them. Multiple. There's no activation fees, so they are cheaper as well. Yeah. But Keith, I'll send you. I'll send you a message soon, bro. Alright. Yeah, guys, this is going to cut me out, but like I like to say, it's not over until it's over. Rather let this trade hit my full stop. I put my stop loss at this Friday high for a reason, but maybe price wants to drop. Maybe I need to just sit back and let Nasdaq do what it wants to do. It is trading. I've taken 3 trades today. I've taken 2 wins. This is my 3rd now, for the people that weren't listening. So if I take a loss, that's cool. I don't care. This is like what I call a chump change loss, right? It's so small compared to this is a 150k account. Sorry, this is a 200k account I'm on. So $300 out of that is nothing. I'm managing risk, guys. I'm managing risk. It wasn't an A+. Adam is short. Nice, bro. Yeah. Okay, that's me out, guys. I'm gonna wait a bit more now. Let me go to the high time frame. I'm not done though, guys. I'm really not done. I can still see a move coming. So let me maybe I got in too early. The thing is, shorts are like, I can see shorts, like, don't get me wrong, but if my bias is bullish, I'm not going to short it. I'm sorry, I'm not. Like, I won't. You get some traders that want to catch both ways. Me, I'm not like that. I'm more I protect my account more, you know, like Adam, for example, is trading like both ways constantly, buying and selling. That's cool. That works for Adam. It just doesn't work for me. Every system, every trader has something working for them that another trader doesn't. If my bias is bullish, I'll only look for longs. If my bias is bearish, I'll only look for shorts. End of story. But hey, like I said, we just need to manage our risk. You need to become obsessed with the risk management side of things. Become obsessed with it. Yeah, exactly, Dinesh. You know it. This is where patience comes in, because guys, a lot of you don't understand what it means to be patient in trading. If your bias is bullish, you need to then be patient, right, to wait for that setup, okay? That's the patience part. Like, I know that me waiting for that entry to go long will pay me a lot of money compared to trying to short this right now. Because if I'm going to short this right now, I'm not going to be comfortable in that trade, because I know that at any moment that trade can reverse on me. Because the daily bias, the 4 hourly, the 1 hourly is bullish, right? So yes, we have a bearish closure beneath the Friday high. Yes, we rejected the EMA and we closed below. Price can still drop. Price can still drop. But let it drop. I don't care. I swing both ways. Yeah, me too. Nah, I'm joking. I know you do though. You are a hard swinger, Adam. That's all I can say, dude. You love swinging. I've realized that both ways. And you swing quite a bit in one day, in one session. I've realized you jump fucking between both. Broke the 1 hour inside candle now. Yep, I know. This is another reason why this can short. Yeah. Yeah. It's just a pity, like this is a great, like, for the guys that struggle with FOMO and guys that struggle with, you know, like the fear, like the whole fear of missing out thing. You know, this is a great thing for you to see how I cope in the situation, because right now, yes, looking at this entry, I really want to short it. Don't get me wrong, I really do. But I just can't. Like, I just can't do it. I can't do it, guys. I need to be honest with myself. I need to follow my system. I just can't do it. And that's okay. That's what keeps me profitable and consistent. Keith, a loss isn't a mistake. The mistake is breaking your own rules. You can fuck. You know what? I love that. That is something that I fucking love so much, because Keith is so right. And I hope I'm saying your name right, brother. That's true. A loss isn't making a mistake. Like losing a trade, right? is part of the whole process, right? But the mistake is breaking your rules. That's where the mistakes come in. Like, if I'm going to try to buy the market right now, I'm breaking my rules. I'm going against my entire system if I'm going to be trying to sell this right now. You can lose while executing perfectly and win while executing badly. The only one of those. Fuck, this guy's speaking facts right now, guys. Literally read what Keith has just put inside of this chat. Nah, he's speaking facts. It's facts. Wins and losses are randomly distributed within any set of variables that define an edge. 5 losers in a row says nothing about the 6 rate. That's fuck, bro. I love this guy already, because you guys know I love talking psychology, because it's the biggest thing in trading, right? Psychology is what has made me the trader I am. Because of psychology, because I managed to work with psychology, I've been put in a situation where I've been lucky enough to be a full-time trader for 3.5-4 years now. Okay, psychology is something that you need to work on you don't even need to work on it, you just need to do it. Like, it's something that needs to be done every single day. It's like brushing your fucking teeth. Okay, every day, morning and night before bed, you need to brush your teeth. It's just part of a routine that needs to be done for your health and your hygiene. Okay, the same thing for trading and your psychology. Every single day when you're behind those charts in trading, you need to do, and what's the word? I'm losing the word now. You need to perform your psychology, right, in the same way every single day. Yes, you can work on it, right? But the thing is that you can only work on it so much until you have to start really following your psychology every single day, right? It's something that there's no light bulb moment where it's just gonna click and now all of a sudden, oh, you don't have to ever work on it again. Because let me tell you right now, you can lose everything in one day. I promise you right now. If you go on tilt, it doesn't matter. So your psychology it's a tool that needs to be worked on every single day, and it needs to be performed every single day the exact same way. It doesn't matter, because it's the reason majority of you guys watching the stream are struggling to find your profitability. It's because of the psychology. Don't blame the strategy, it's not. I have a strategy course that I've sold to people. It's literally 2 to 3 hours long, because a strategy needs to be simple, it needs to be easy, it needs to be a system that can make you money. But it's the psychology behind the strategy that boosts the win rate, right? I can give, for example, I'm just going to use an example right now, Keith. I'm just going to use you for an example, right? Because you're new here, I'm just going to this is just an example, Keith. I can teach you my strategy the way I trade it, the exact same way, right? But I will still have a higher win rate than you. And the reason for this, right? Is because it's the psychology that boosts the win rate behind that strategy. People all are like, ICT is shit, this is shit, this is shit, this is shit. Every strategy works, and that's why people trade them. It's just the psychology behind the strategy. My psychology just doesn't work with ICT because I believe it's too complicated. ICT is over complicating trading. Trading needs to be the most simple thing. I've got an EMA on my chart and I've got 2 levels, that's it. And now I'm waiting for a trade because my daily bias is bullish. Having a simple strategy, guys, makes it easier to focus on your psychology. Having a complicated strategy makes it harder to focus on your psychology because your brain's already on fucking fire because you've got so much technical analysis going on the chart. So, simplify your trading, right? Number 1. To the most simple way you can do it possible. You'll automatically feel calm and at peace when you come behind the chart and relaxed. It becomes a lot easier to focus on your psychology then. But listen, when I say this right now, and I know you guys hear it all the fucking time, but it's the truth. Trust me, I learned the hard way. Psychology, right, is literally trading. It's all based in your fucking head, like I promise you, okay? Everything. the risk management. You need to become obsessed with risk management, guys. You have to become obsessed with it. You need to literally put risk management before the trade. You need to first look at, okay, if I take this trade, where will I put my stop loss? You know? Like, you need, yeah. Just watch my streams every day. You'll learn a lot, I promise you. You'll see a lot. Look how prices come into an hourly level right now. Okay, cool. If this hourly level can hold, I'll only look to take a buy if we can get above this Friday's high. If we can get above Friday's high and above the EMA, I will look to take this buy. When I was talking. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting. Can you make farmer trades, bro? Yeah, I mean, if you want, but I'm not gonna pay you, bro. I don't need any edits. I don't want to become like, I like my little community of you guys, you know what I mean? Like, it's enough for me. I don't need this big, I'm not trying to sell fucking things, do you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to become one of those trading gurus. Like, if I wanted to be like that, I can be that, but no, like, I like to be with you guys. I like to be intimate. I make enough money trading. Like, I just like to spend time with you guys. You guys are all like my family, every single one of you. Like, every single one of you. Captain Price has been here since day one. Farmer Trades, you've been here for a while, bro. Keith is new, but fuck, I hope Keith stays around. He seems like a really, really cool guy. He looks like he's got a lot of knowledge that he can bring to value to the table. Adam, we all know Adam. Alright, come on buyers. Come on buyers, let's get that entry. What's the time? What's the time? It is, ooh. So let's quickly go to the 30-minute chat. Let's see. Okay, 30-minute. Yeah. Let's see, guys. If we can start breaking above Friday's high, I'm looking for buys. Because then that means if we break above Friday's high, that's confirmed that this key level down here, this H1 level of mine, is really respecting price. Price is obviously, buyers are coming back in. We're gonna then break above the EMA, which triggers me into that long. Oh, behave, you intimate fellow. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, dude. Still no buys, guys. Still waiting. Price might drop again. If we get under this H1 level, guys, I won't lie. I'm going to have a bit of FOMO to want to short that, but I'm just not going to do it. I'm sorry. I can't. Kalani, it went well. I'm not 100% done yet. I still got a lot to do. In my office right now, you can see behind me, there's still a lot I want to put. This window over here, guys, I'm keeping it closed because outside in the corner make a background glow. I want to put some stuff in the corner, make a background glow. I want to put some stuff in the back, and don't tell me payout certificates. Fuck, that's so. Nah, I don't want payout certificates. It's just the fucking shittiest thing. That's the most guru thing someone can do. Put payout certificates at the back of the wall. Maybe I need a picture of like I don't know, Kylie Jenner, or like, I don't know, something really beautiful up there for all the guys on stream. You know, you guys can have a little bit of a background going on. I think it might be dumping to get the gap fall. Sarvesh, yeah, that is possible. The gap is just below this hourly level at the bottom of my screen. Possible, for sure. A snowboard in the background. That's not a bad idea, actually. I have like 4 snowboards. I can definitely put one in the background for sure. My dream car, fuck, I'm not a car person, guys. I don't trade for cars. I trade for freedom. And I'm currently living that, so I pay for the lifestyle that I'm in right now. No snowboard with a cartoon version of you and your wife in the background. Just that's fuck yeah, that's interesting. I'll think about it. I like the snowboard idea. That's a good idea because it's me. Cool. Fuck, I won't lie, guys. The session is what it is, huh? I did something I did say. So with my private community, when we traded this morning, I said to them, guys, and you can ask them, Adam, Daniel, Grant, did I not say it? I said that because we had such big volume this morning, right, our YouTube session together might be dead. Because that's how NQ works. NQ, after a lot of volume that comes in, it will slow down, right? And then it'll come in later again. I did kind of call this though. I did have a feeling that price was going to slow down a lot during this live stream. That's also why I'm sitting out. I'm like, we've made our money. We've made our money. Let's not throw it away, you know? Let's just treat this shit like a business, like every day, right? Follow the plan, follow the system. Keeping it simple. Yo guys, I need to message my wife. Hold on, I forgot. She's at the shops. I need to get some beers for later. Hold on. Ooh, almost forget. Let me phone her right now. Guys, she's so special. Fuck, watch. Live call right now. Hi, you good? Hi. Are you at the shop still? Okay. It's cool, it's cool. Listen, are you able to just go past the shop and just get me like a couple beers? Yeah. Oh no, it's oh yeah, it's cool. Yeah, just a few. Okay, cool. Thank you. I love you. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah. Okay. I'm busy streaming, yeah. So I'll talk to you when you're home. Okay. I love you. Bye. Now that, my friends, is the type of wife you need. Trust me. No, she's so sweet, man. She left the shop. She's going back for me. Okay, guys, there we had the hourly level rejection. We're getting back above the EMA in this Friday high. We might get a little trade before ending stream, but we have 10 minutes left though, guys. We have 10 minutes left. Guys, if you're new to the stream, please, before we're ending, hit that like button, guys. It means a lot. Subscribe, turn your notifications on. But guys, if you're enjoying my daily show and the knowledge I give and the live trades and just everything, guys, just show some love by hitting the like button. It means so much to me. I won't ask again. But yeah, and if you don't want to miss a stream, guys, just turn on that notification button and subscribe. I don't know if I'm gonna get a trade though, guys. I don't know. Maybe a long 1 to 2 now. No, Dinesh, no long yet, bro. Because look, guys, look what it's doing, man. We're not even broken above Friday's high. We're spiking it and rejecting. Why? I don't want to long that, dude. Price can easily close back under EMA then drop. You know? is my Instagram active, guys? Yeah, about my Instagram, I deleted my main page. Okay, I'll tell you why. My main page with all those thousands of followers, I deleted it. I stopped it because few reasons. I was having too many people spamming my inbox, asking me for, like, I don't know, fucking courses and all this and that, and asking for free money. It was horrible. I deleted it because I don't want that. I started my own personal account now. I'm not going to shout it out because it's more personal. I don't want to have any of that coming into my life. So yeah, my personal account obviously is active, but it's more for the closer people that I can relate with, people that I care about, family, friends, traders. It's nothing that I want to, put out there. Guys, no trade, unfortunately, man. No trade, unfortunately. I might make it a wrap. We have 5 minutes left. But yeah, this might be a wrap for me. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Maybe a quick little scalp, guys. Who knows? But like, anything can happen. It is trading. I don't want to force anything. Okay, I don't want to force anything. I had such a great session this morning with my team. Fuck, it was so cool. We had such a nice time together. And yeah, I won't trade again today. I'm done. I've done my work. I'm gonna go outside, take my dog for a walk, make a nice lunch, have a beer maybe this afternoon, and just enjoy the real freedom of what trading can bring. Every day I appreciate it, guys. I never take it for granted because it's so hard. That's another thing. If you guys are slowly becoming profitable, just appreciate it and make the most of it, because guys, so few traders can actually get to the point of being a profitable trader, that I always appreciate and take advantage of it. So when you do get to that moment, if you do, which I hope that you guys do, enjoy it, appreciate the freedom. Don't go looking at fucking buying Rolexes and cars and this, that Louis Vuitton. I've been there and I've done that, and it's my biggest regret, right? My biggest regret was when I became profitable, guys. I was blowing money on so much things. Louis Vuitton, fucking just expensive designer, like jewelry. And it was like, it just didn't fulfill me. And what really started fulfilling me was moving to the French Alps, a place that truly makes me happy, doing things, just living, having the freedom. That's so much more valuable to me than anything else when it comes to this game of trading. So anyone can become profitable, but you need to want it. You need to want it, and you need to fucking believe, and you need to manifest that it's going to happen for you, because you are closer than you think. And I tell this to everybody. You can become profitable today. You can become the trader you want to be today. Okay, I promise you. You can make the decision now. Okay, right now I'm going to be a consistent trader, because becoming consistent is a decision, right? It's a decision. It doesn't just automatically happen. It's a decision that you need to constantly make every day. Today I'm going to execute the chart. Today I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to focus on risk. It's a decision. So you can decide today, are you going to be consistent or not? If you're going to say that you're going to be consistent, and then you're going to blow an account later today or tomorrow, that's your fault, man. I'm not blowing accounts. A strategy, yes, you need a strategy, but the strategy is the easiest part of trading. It's easy to learn a strategy, right? Anyways, I love you all so much. I need to jump off. I hope you guys are enjoying the daily show. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day. I'm gonna be back tomorrow. I'm gonna go live with my community in like my private streaming in the morning with my guys, and we're gonna come back on, guys, tomorrow at 12 o'clock Paris time tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day. So let's see what we get tomorrow. It is Monday today, guys, so just be patient on yourself a bit. Yeah, I just want to say quickly, guys, if you are looking to take trades, just to kind of give you a little bit of an idea, anything above the Friday high, I will look for longs. Anything below, shorts. But my bias is bullish, so I'm not doing anything right now. I will not be going short, okay? I love you all so much. Thank you for being here. Subscribe, turn your notifications on so you don't miss me tomorrow. You guys are all fucking amazing. I love you all so much, every single one of you. For the new guys that have joined, I hope to see you tomorrow. Keith, thank you so much for that knowledge you dropped. I actually really love that stuff. I want to see more of that from more people because it's so important, and I love that stuff. I'll chat to you some more, Keith. All my guys, Adam, I love you so much with all my heart. Daniel, I love you so much with all my heart. Grant, I love you so much with all my heart. You guys are my fucking top 3 people right now. I love you so much. And then everybody else, I love you too. Don't worry, okay? I'm not biased. But biased. Anyways, guys, peace. Have a good day. Cheers.